I have here a Roman shade with a turnbuckle installed, 2 wire rope clamps, and a ratchet. I'll begin feeding the wire, skipping the grommet on the flange, and moving through the grommets on each of the ribs. At this point, I'll add the wire rope clamps, which will make the next part a little bit easier. I'll run the wire through the eye of the turnbuckle and double it over on itself. I'll slide the first wire rope clamp into place, my goal being to get as close to the eye on the turnbuckle as I can. I'll tighten this one down before adding the second. I'm making sure to alternate nuts to prevent binding and to ensure that it tightens evenly. It's important not to have excess cable here, as it will limit the shade when it's retracted. For the second wire rope clamp, I'll hand tighten first, as the first clamp has done most of the work. When I have the nuts fairly tight, I'll move on to the ratchet and finish up. As with the first wire rope clamp, I'm alternating nuts to get an even tightness. This corner is done, and I'll repeat the process for the other corner on the fixed end, and we'll be ready to hang this Roman shade.